Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about SQL interview questions in Snowflake. Let us see the question. Mary is a teacher in a middle school and she has a seat storing student name and their corresponding seat IDs. The column ID is continuous increment. Mary wants to change seats for adjacent students. Write a SQL query to output the result for Mary. Mary is a middle school teacher and she has a table called seat which stores the student names along with their corresponding seat IDs. The ID column represents continuous incrementing numbers, meaning the seats are assigned in order. Now Mary wants to swap the seats of adjacent students to create a new seating arrangement. Our task is to write a SQL query that will help Mary generate the updated seat assignments. So let us see the query for this question. This is the query and this is the expected output. So let us run this in Snowflake environment. The query execution involves 3 steps. In step 1 we have to create the table seat and in step 2 we have to insert values into the table seat. In step 3 we have to write the query. Let me explain this query in detail. The when ID select max of ID from seat condition ensures that the only ID less than maximum ID in the table are swapped. The last row, the one with the ID equal to max of ID, is handled separately in the else part. Inner case for swapping. If ID is even, it is replaced with the ID minus 1. The previous odd number. If the ID is odd, it is replaced with ID plus 1. The next even number. This effectively swaps adjacent rows. The last row remains in place if the ID is odd. If the last row has an even ID, it changes to the ID minus 1. The student column is selected alongside the modified new ID. Order by new ID ensures that the output is sorted based on the swapped IDs rather than the original order. So let us execute this. Here is the result of the query execution. Here is the updated seating arrangement for the students. Seat 1 is assigned to Doris and seat 2 assigned to Abbott, seat 3 is to Bean and seat 4 assigned to Emerson and seat 5 is assigned to James. These students are seated in consecutive order based on their ID numbers. For more training updates, contact Data Engineers Academy. Thank you.